going to start with Laura. Give her a hand, guys. 3.5 grade average or higher. Okay.
That's not very Laura, Ella, 3.5 or higher. Play more. Shayla, Atkinson. Now we Aaron, take that foot off. Now shut up. You show us the
Maya, Gina.
I don't make this up. Like, why are you not talking to big
Calling out Brenda Harris.
She's not here. Is anybody that's got a 3 point to a 3.49? Yeah, you're getting a little weak in the clapping. All right.
Nah, he gonna say the iPod, so we gotta keep the phone.
Hey, if you can't say nice things, you're not going to be part of this.
He think about it.
Yeah,
Galaxy 2 is better than iPod.
Only give me a gift card.
Daniel's going.
You can't even get out of it. Okay, would you rather give up a $50 iPod or $60 for $207?
Oh, I think you know.
He wanted to run on iTunes.
Swear to God.
Kyle Herbert.
Let me see my mark. What do I mean? I want to watch Dude, get your phone back.
You said that.
We're gonna do some
Hey, you better get your stuff back.
Okay, the next honor that we have is for those of you that earned all your credits. We know that you were honored before for earning getting 6 credits, which is great.
You really did?
This is for those of you that earned all your credits because we believe you've gone and done exactly what we expected you to do. All right, come this way because there's another way we'll give you to you, so go that way. This is Ross Thompson.
Get your phone back.
Now, go back this way. And wait, go this way.
Go on your computer.
No, they took it off.
Yeah, that's why you should have seen me about it.
Tell me
Now
how
we
it's
stand. Joel, Claiborne.
I'm just
Will
playing now.
Hightower. Yeah, okay, Carr. Deshaun Hill.
That's the bar. That is the best phone you can
Marie Moore.
What's that? What's that?
He don't want to yeah, he got the car. He got the car.
You're meant to read out.
I will give you some Xbox games.
Where is it?
When is your turn?
I don't know. I know I passed all my questions. You know I'm coming. Unless I did.
I know you all are doing great.
I don't know about him, but I did. Esteban, give me it. You don't even use it.
Come on. You made it, huh?
Yeah.
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 I give you some lotion. I use some Vaseline and some carrot oil. And then you like go through it. You have. I will give you. What you giving him back your phone?
He wants another car.
Hey, okay, here's your another car. She give me your windows. Or else I'll tell him not to give you your car. Hey, I give you 50 for it. 50 cards.
He said,
Bro, I will give you some extra. Some mess? I ain't gonna give you no deal. I'll give you a dirt bike. That's fine. I'll give you a dirt bike.
Alright guys, listen up.
I ain't going.
I have the honor of giving you guys the most improved awards for each subject matter. First up, in pre-AP biology, Thane Kissinger. For physical science, Sierra
It might not work. Hey, if one of your dirt bikes are going, can you don't blame me?
Alright, in history, it is Jasper Dale.
They're way heavier than.
Alright, most improved in algebra, Aaron Garrido. Most improved in pre-AP English is Kiana Love.
It's my grandma's.
Victor Macedo. And for most improved in academic skills, Chris Capers. Next up, we're gonna do Top Dog Awards. Now, as you know, Top Dogs are changing, can change weekly. It's the highest A from week to week, and just based on the grades that you get, on a week basis. So, not in no particular order, Ben Youngblood.
Yeah!
Give me a window. I think Lauren's out. Lauren Hullum. You made it.
Eric!
Give me the
Next
window.
one is Yang.
You should have saw it.
That's mine. He got videos.
Did you get this?
Tell me you just
You should have got that.
What?
He had it on his phone.
He had food on his clothes.
You got it? How did you get it? How did you get it?
Where the Gotti was.
Come on, stop.
Next one is She Was Out.
No, it's not. It's called UG.
I try to be celibate.
All right. Next up, Cassidy.
Come on,
Mayhew.
just kidding. Just kidding.
Laura Sung. Alright, that was the last one. I just want to make a note. Ben did have the record for first semester, so I challenge you guys all that want to. Would you end up with 10 weeks in a row at Top Dog? 10 weeks in a row at the highest edge. So, I challenge everybody to step up, and you can be a Top Dog too. Alright, next.
Hey! There's the board! Those lovely blue sheets from first semester that you were supposed to return, there was a purpose. The purpose is your name just went into a drawing for what? $5 gift cards to someone.
I got you. It's not fun.
Must be
Must be present to win. So, there's... I can't... They don't have the
Oh, the influx.
there's 938 entries. Okay? These girls right here will be my eyes and ears, and I'm not cheating anybody. Okay. I know, Damo, I'm not cheating wherever you're at, because I know you think it's so. What number? 204. So let's look it up, see who 204 is.
That's me, Miss Dollar.
204. Jabriel. Next number.
26.
606. Let's see who that is. It is Kiana Love.
Okay, but yeah, you always got a mustache.
Hey, make sure you keep track of your white sheet and try not to use your passes. That increases your chances. Some of you only used like 2 passes last semester, so you just had 26 entries to get in. Any other last minute? Lord, yours. Hey, everybody, good job!
Just reminders. If you're not interested in doing a spring sport, there are other activities you can get involved in. We have a Red Cross Club here. So they're the ones that sponsor the blood drive, but they also do community service out in the community. There's an art club. There's, what else is there? Oh yeah, there's the international club.
There's the other things like the ambassador club thing. Is there stuff to do with drama second semester? Forensic debate.
So if you have something to do,
Want to turn me on the school.
He was like, don't go to my
Oh, reminder from now to when we said 8.
Before I even noticed this.
Hey, who wants to eat with us next time? Because we always take time to eat. Yeah! Listen up. We go on Caesar beans. Hang on. Okay. Caesar better in all classes. And you can come celebrate with us. We're shooting for the Friday. Like, not right before spring break, but the Friday before that. We will have it posted in our rooms for you. If you do not currently have a seat, I suggest you start coming to Power Hour. Miss Robinson over there knows right where the Power Hour sheets are if you don't have one, or you can come see one of us. If you want to know more about your GPA and how to get it up, that's the young lady to talk to.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to ask her. I'm gonna record this. Make sure you're getting the whole class.
Hey, if you're doing algebra, you are staying after with me to take your quiz so we can get your C's up.
Shout out to Juan Weezy. I staying on beat. Brett ain't got no hair. What?
Good job, guys.